Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is asheniagarwal, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make and use a grid spacing guide. So I put this in my bullet journal this year, and I think it's really helpful to make weekly spreads and just any spreads that you're trying to space things out. And I use it every single day to figure out how my bullet journal layouts are going to go. So I thought this would be a really helpful video for you guys, especially since I see a lot of people wanting to use this spread in their bullet journal. So let's just get right on into the video. This is my grid spacing guide on the left, and today I will be walking you guys through how I made it and then how I use it. So the first thing I did was number all the spaces going up and down, and then I did the same thing going side to side. This will help you because it won't make you count the spaces every time you make a spread. So anyway, I added a line going down and across with the number of spaces, and then you want to figure out which spaces you use the most often. For me, I did mainly thirds and fourths, but this is really up to you. If you are new to bullet journaling and not sure which spaces to do, then you can just do what I did. I also have all the sections labeled with a gray marker, and then I also made a line splitting the page in half, both long ways and short ways, and then at the end of them I have a circle, and in each of the circles it has the number of spaces on each of the side of the line. Then when you are done with labeling everything and making all the lines, I just added a title that said Grid Spacing Guide. This is totally optional, but I felt like that corner was blank, so I just added that in different fonts and then added some little doodles on the sides. Now I will be talking to you guys on how I use the spread. So this spread is just to make your life easier and more efficient, as well as less time consuming. So when you are making your weekly spreads, you probably have an idea of what it's supposed to look like, but when you start, you have to count the spaces and mark where everything goes. This spread helps you already have different ways you can divide your page for a weekly spread. This spread has about all the ways I would divide a page for my weekly spread, so I think it's really helpful, and I hope this helps you guys out too. So when you are starting a weekly spread, you would just look at this page and see at which points you would divide the page. For example, if you want to split it in 4 parts, you would look at that, and you would look at the numbers you have written going across and going down to see where you would mark the lines to make the dividing mark, and that would just help you at the end. So I hope you guys liked that video, and if you did like it, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn your post notifications on, and like this video for more content like this one. Just keep smiling. Bye guys!